Hey there, fabulous moms. Are you looking to create an additional income stream from home? Whether you're considering alternative disability income, if you're thinking about retirement, or just wanting some extra cash coming into your account, you're in the right place. My name is Cian, and I'm so excited to share how you can leverage digital marketing to boost your income, all while working around your family's schedule. Creating an additional income stream is not just a smart move, it's becoming essential, especially for families today. With rising costs and uncertainties, having that financial cushion can make all the difference in your world. And here's the best part. You don't need to sacrifice your time with your family or your friends to make it happen. With my years of experience in digital marketing, I'll show you how to set up everything without feeling overwhelmed. I'll guide you through every single step. You're going to be able to leverage digital marketing and understand the basics to effectively reach your audience online. You're going to be able to create engaging content and discover how to produce content that attracts potential clients and that will keep them coming back for more. You're going to learn how to build your audience. You're going to learn strategies to grow your online presence and connect with others in your niche. You're going to be able to monetize your efforts through products and services that you promote. A great thing about building a business online is you'll be able to balance your work and your life. You're going to be able to get tips on managing your new business while still being present with your family. You're going to get lots of support and resources. So I want to share a little bit about myself and how I got into this business. A year and a half ago, I was hanging out with my favorite puppies. I was working on a ranch where my job was to go outside and take care of the puppies. Dream job, right? But I was walking out. The puppies attacked my feet, bit my shins, were biting my toes, untying my shoes, and I tripped and fell. And I began a journey where I wasn't really able to have the same mobility that I had before. And actually, I had to rethink my income source because I fell and I broke my hip. And I could no longer do the physical things that I was doing before. I couldn't do the work that was required for my old job. So I turned to digital marketing as a way to create income from my home. It's been a total game changer for me, and I want to help you experience the same transformation. I know many of you might be feeling uncertain about this path, but with my support, you can overcome those hurdles. I'm committed to helping you so that you can get started, so that you can quickly launch your empire, your income stream as quickly as possible. So if you're ready to take the leap and create that additional income stream, I want to invite you on this journey to join my team. Together we can navigate this exciting journey, and I'll be with you every step of the way. If you're ready to get started, click the link in my description below. Thanks for watching. Remember, you have the power to create a brighter and financial future for yourself and for your family. Make it an amazing day.